Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, late.
Yeah, I like them.
Like this?
I like all them. You see the chains? I like them. Stop ducking me. Stop ducking me. Come see me. I want you. I want you. I'm at arm's reach. I can touch him. I can put my hands on him, Leo.
Morales?
I can put my hands on him. So if you want some smoke, I'm not playing no games with nothing moving. Don't think y'all can pop up and run around and hide and disappear. Stop acting like a sucker and come see me before I go get your father. I already put my hands on him. I could have put him in the air for real if I wanted to. Stop playing with me, shorty. Grow some nuts, grow some kahunas, however you want to call it. Come see me, man. Man, y'all ain't gonna believe this shit. Check this out. Y'all already know how bad I've been on Leo Santa Cruz ass, right? The managers, the promoters, they just won't let me get an arm's reach of this motherfucker.
Main man, made man here. Y'all know how I get down. We talking boxing, man. So I just saw the video, my man Gary Russell Jr. pulling up on the father of Leo Santa Cruz, looking up in that camera with that savage look like, yeah, I'm right next to your pops, pulling up on his little chains and flipping his little chains around like, yeah, I like that. Then steps away and let everybody know, look, yeah, Leo, what's goody? I touched your pops. I put hands on him. I'm trying to put hands on you. What's good? That's some savage, thorough, keep it a buck, straight up G shit. You hear me though? Man, my man Gary did that. I mean, he did that. You know what I'm talking about? So now what? What you gonna do about that, Leo? What you gonna do? That man went up and put hands on your pops. You gonna make a fight? You gonna act like you gonna make a fight? What you gonna do? You ain't gonna do nothing. You gonna keep on ducking. You gonna keep on running. Yo, I've seen a lot of call-outs. I've seen fighters go through a lot of drastic measures. But you don't see fighters going up to fighters' family members. Especially, clearly Leo Santa Cruz's father probably didn't know what was going on. He probably don't even know who Gary Russell Jr. is. But still, at the end of the day, you don't see fighters going up to other fighters' family members, putting hands on them, flipping through their jewelry. You dig? Like, that's a whole different level of disrespect. You know what I'm talking about? That's what you call a true savage. If Leo don't respond to this, how much of a coward would he looks like? I mean, the man went up and touched his father. And his father got the health concerns and everything like that. I mean, he put hands on him. It's no way in hell Leo as a man can let this slide. I mean, this is boxing. This is a sport. But sometimes it crosses over into a realm where it shouldn't go. And this is one of those instances. And let's see how Leo gonna respond. Is he gonna still sit back, like Gary said, and hide behind the managers, hide behind the promoters? You know what I'm saying? Keep on running like he did from Regan Dial? Is he gonna keep on hiding? Keep on calling Al Heyman on the late night. Al, keep me away from Gary Russell. Keep me away from Gary Russell. This man just put hands on your father. And then went to the camera like, yeah. Standing on it. What you gonna do, Leo? What you gonna do? To the next video, Main Man Made Man. Don't forget to subscribe. Twitter, Made Man 511. Facebook, Main Man Made Man Boxing Forum. Instagram, Main Man Made Man. Yo, I seen a lot of things in boxing. But never as savage as this. I mean, never as savage as this. And then Gary even went on to say, yo, I could have put him in a headlock. I could have choked him out, all that. I mean, he said this on camera for the world to see, Leo. How you gonna act? What you gonna do? Because he did that. To the next one, peace out.